Okay, this is my Maytag dishwasher, and the handle is separated. This piece is separated from this piece. I don't know if you can see it underneath there. There's a gap there. These clips popped out. So I have to take this thing apart and get that back in before it breaks. So come along with me on this journey, because I don't know how to do it, and we're going to figure it out together. I do know that I have to take these screws out down here. Looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 of them. So let's start ripping these out. Oh, probably should have got my drill. Here's number 1. Oh, 2 more. You also need to make sure the power's off. Which will be a breaker in your basement. The 2 top ones are really long. There's a clip in there that it has to hook to on this side. There it is. Got that one. And then we're right back to the same problem when I took it apart. There we go. There we go. Hold on, buddy. Dog wants outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this back together. Bottom line is, to fix that problem, I needed to take off 4 screws. I did not need to take off the bottom. And then when you put it back together, there's a clip on this side that you gotta grab a hold of in order for this top piece to stay secured. So hopefully this video of comedy helps somebody out if this ever happens to them. Luckily the handle didn't break. Hit the like and subscribe button if this helped you out.